Hi, I'm Daryl. I'm with Leith BMW, and I'll be assisting you with your vehicle today. In this video, we're going to show you how to connect your mobile device via Bluetooth to the BMW iDrive system. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to our phones, we're going to select Bluetooth, we're going to make sure it's on this screen, and what we'll like to do is click this communication button right here, and then you'll notice it'll start searching for my device. It'll show up here, it'll give me a pair code, 209303. We select pair, and then we'll allow our contacts if this was my personal vehicle, but in this situation we won't. I'm gonna allow. And then here we can select whether or not we do BMW iDrive, which would have gone back to the main screen, or we can select Apple CarPlay. So we're gonna select CarPlay. And then we select here on our phones, use CarPlay. It takes just a second. Perfect. Now that we're connected, you'll notice here on this main screen, you'll see that your phone's connected, your level of service, as well as the battery life of your phone. Pretty simple. Now you're connected to Apple CarPlay.